Here's a run through of the 18-ounce camping mug animated mock-up. When you get the file off the cloud, make sure you get all the files together. There should be a PSD and there's a camping mug PSD. There's a handle movie, a colour movie for the mug, and a reflection. So make sure you extract them from the zip and put them somewhere in your hard drive together, because the PSD will need to see these 3 movie files. When you open the PSD, this is what you should see. If you can't see the timeline, turn it on with Windows Timeline. To get your design on the mug, there's this in the layer stack, there's this double click smart object to add design. So just double click that. And then step 2, you don't do anything in this section, you just go to step 2, double click smart object to add design. So it's double click this thumbnail. This is where you add your design. So go file, place embedded, locate wherever you save your designs, plonk it on there. When you're happy with your placement, close this smart object, but be sure to say yes here. And then close this stage here, which you just passed through, say yes. And then you can preview by clicking on anywhere on the timeline there. Get more of it in view by clicking this icon, so you can scrub through, see it's all looking sensible. When you're happy to create the movie, just go to this burger menu and click render video. You can keep all the defaults. If you're on a Mac, you might want to change the format to QuickTime. All you really need to do here is give it a file name and select somewhere to save it. When you're ready, click render, and then it will take a minute or 2 depending on the speed of your machine. You can change the background. Just double click this smart object and file, place in there one of your own. Also, if you wanted to, you can change the colour of the mug as an effect here. The only thing I'd mention is if you're changing the effect of the mug itself, it doesn't apply to the handle, just the mug. The blending mode of the design that sits over the colour is multiply. So if you've got some bright colours in your design, they're going to clash. I'll show you what I mean. So we put a red part of the design on there. It's not going to look red because that design is set to multiply. What you'll need to do if you want to change the colour of the mug and use a colourful design is change that to normal, and then you'll get the proper colours coming through. And I think they're all there. You can turn the shadow on and off. You can adjust the reflections, I think, a little. Yeah, you can tinker with those, but I think that's everything.